Drifting mind. As a human mind drifts into thought, perhaps lying in bed, it functions much like a hovering drone or an all-seeing satellite, scanning the world from above. Thoughts do not move through streets or paths like footsteps. Instead, they soar over landscapes, instantly locking onto places, moments, and ideas, much like how Google Earth pinpoints exact locations in an instant. This thinking pattern reveals something profound about human cognition, an innate way of perceiving reality from a broader perspective, untethered by physical movement. The mind does not walk among details, it floats above them, absorbing the entire scene at once. But why does the brain function this way? Perhaps it echoes the vastness above us. The sky, ever expansive, hovers over our existence in a similar manner. The brain, like the universe, constantly creates, reshaping thoughts and unveiling new ideas with the same endless cycle that births planets and galaxies. Every day, the human mind observes, imagines, and connects ideas in this hovering style, just as the sky watches over the earth with silent omnipresence. In this way, the mind and cosmos share an uncanny resemblance, a mirrored approach to creation, observation, and limitless expansion,